Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is find the least common multiple of the following numbers. And we have given the numbers 66, 324, 42, 36. Firstly, by prime factorization, (66) can be written as 2 into 3 into 11. Then 324 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4. Okay. Then prime factorization of 42 is 2 into 3 into 7, and prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 2 square into 3 square. So the least common multiple of 66, 324, 42, 36. So it is the product of the highest power of the given primes. So here we can observe that there are 2, 3, 7, 11 prime numbers which are common in between these numbers. Okay. So firstly, let us take 2. The highest power of 2 is 2 square. So 2 square into highest power of 3 is 4. 3 to the power 4 into highest power of 7 is 1 only, and the highest power of 11 is 1. So the multiplication of this is 24,948. So the least common multiple of the given numbers is 24,948.